The smartphone industry has seen countless innovations over the last decade, but very few have truly redefined how we interact with technology. Foldable phones are one of those rare milestones, promising to merge tablet-sized displays with pocket-sized convenience. And at the center of this evolution stands Samsung, the company that has consistently pushed boundaries in the foldable space. Now, with the arrival of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung is preparing to take foldables to an entirely new level. This device isn't just an upgrade, it could be the turning point that changes the foldable smartphone market forever. Crease-Free display. A leap into the future. One of the biggest complaints about earlier foldable phones has always been the crease in the middle of the screen. While it didn't stop innovation, it was an undeniable distraction, reminding users that this was still a first-generation idea. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to solve that problem once and for all. Rumors suggest that Samsung is using a laser-drilled metal display plate, developed in collaboration with FineMtech, a supplier also connected to Apple's future foldable iPhones. This technology is designed to eliminate the crease entirely, giving users a display that feels seamless, smooth, and natural. Imagine opening your phone and seeing a perfectly flat screen, no distractions, no breaks, just pure immersion. Watching movies, gaming, editing photos, or even reading ebooks will look better than ever. And beyond aesthetics, the crease-free design also improves durability, reducing pressure points that could cause long-term wear. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it's a game-changing breakthrough that could finally make foldables mainstream. Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen 5, a new performance beast at the heart of the Galaxy Z Fold. 8 lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's most powerful mobile chipset yet. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a performance leap designed for next-generation smartphones. Here's what users can expect. Lightning-fast speeds for apps, games, and multitasking. Better thermal management, meaning the phone stays cooler even during heavy use. Improved power efficiency, extending battery life without sacrificing performance. Advanced security features protecting your data in real time. Combined with UFS 4.1 storage, the Z Fold 8 will deliver instant app launches, smoother animations, and console-level gaming performance. For business users, this means desktop-like productivity on the go, while gamers can enjoy lag-free performance on a massive, foldable screen. Bigger displays, work, play, and everything in between. Samsung is also increasing the display size of the Z Fold 8, making it even more versatile. Imagine carrying a phone that transforms into a mini tablet whenever you need it, perfect for editing documents or presentations. Streaming movies and sports in full detail. Gaming with an immersive edge-to-edge experience. Multitasking with multiple apps side by side. For professionals, this could be a game changer, a phone that replaces both your smartphone and your tablet. And with Samsung's software optimizations, multitasking is smoother than ever. Advanced camera system. Pro photography in your pocket foldables have often been criticized for lagging behind traditional flagships in camera performance. But the Galaxy Z Fold 8 aims to change that. Leaks suggest that Samsung is bringing its flagship-level cameras to the Fold series, meaning users will enjoy crystal-clear photos even in low light. Advanced AI photography modes for perfect portraits and landscapes. High-quality video recording with stabilization and cinematic effects. This makes the Z Fold 8 not just a productivity powerhouse, but also a content creator's dream. Whether you're a vlogger, photographer, or casual user, the cameras will deliver professional-grade results without compromise. Samsung versus Apple, the foldable wars. Begin competition is heating up. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch its first foldable iPhone, which could arrive in the next few years. But Samsung has a massive advantage. It's been perfecting foldables for nearly a decade. With the Z Fold 8, Samsung is expected to offer better third-party app support, ensuring that apps like Instagram, YouTube, and productivity tools are optimized for foldable displays. Apple may enter the race soon, but Samsung's head start gives it the edge in innovation. And for consumers, this rivalry means one thing: faster innovation and better products. Whether you're Team Samsung or Team Apple, the foldable market is about to explode with choices. Price tag. Premium tech, premium cost of course, cutting-edge technology doesn't come cheap. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be one of the most expensive smartphones of 2025. With its crease-free display, advanced cameras, and powerful chipset, the production costs will likely push the price higher than its predecessors. But for tech enthusiasts, professionals, and creators, this phone isn't just a gadget, it's an investment in the future of mobile technology. If you're someone who values innovation, design, and performance, the Z Fold 8 may be worth every penny. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to solve this issue with a laser-drilled metal display plate. Developed in partnership with Fine M Tech, a company also rumored to be helping Apple with its first foldable. This means when you open the Z Fold 8, you'll see a completely flat, seamless screen. No crease, no distractions. Just pure, uninterrupted visuals. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling social media, or working on documents, the experience will finally feel premium and natural. On top of that, the design also improves durability, making the Fold 8 tougher than its predecessors. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a performance monster performance, is where the Z Fold 8 truly shines. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, this device is expected to deliver faster processing speeds, better power efficiency for longer battery life, a cooler thermal management during heavy tasks, console-level gaming experiences. With UFS 4.1 storage, apps launch instantly, multitasking feels smooth, and gamers get lag-free performance even with demanding titles. This makes the Fold 8 a true all-rounder, powerful enough for professionals, creators, and gamers alike. Bigger displays, bigger possibilities. Samsung is also expected to slightly increase the screen size of the Fold 8, turning it into an even more powerful productivity and entertainment tool. Imagine carrying a phone that unfolds into a mini tablet, perfect for editing spreadsheets, watching Netflix, or playing your favorite games. The larger display also makes multitasking more practical, allowing users to run multiple apps side by side. With Samsung's One UI optimizations, the Fold 8 will let you switch between work and play effortlessly. All this cutting-edge tech won't come cheap. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to carry a premium price tag, potentially making it one of the most expensive smartphones of 2025. But for those who value innovation, performance, and design, the investment may be worth it. The Fold 8 isn't just a phone, it's a statement piece, showing the future of what smartphones can be. Final thoughts. A glimpse into the future, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another smartphone, it's a symbol of where the industry is headed. With its crease-free display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance, bigger screens, and upgraded cameras, it addresses nearly every weakness of earlier foldables. This phone represents a new chapter in mobile technology, one where devices are no longer limited by rigid designs. Instead, they adapt to your needs, whether you're working, gaming, or creating content. If you've been waiting for the right time to experience foldables, the Z Fold 8 could be the device that finally convinces you. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in your pocket.